TecSOM versus the competition. TecSOM tiles have the best dimensional stability on the market. On the left, a TecSOM tile. On the right, a tile from a competitor. The TecSOM tile has a backing of unequaled quality, giving it the best dimensional stability on the market. It always reverts to its original form, ready for installation. It is totally moldable and unbreakable. Competing tiles, usually with bitumen backing, especially in European markets, must be handled with care to avoid irreparable damage, making them unusable. Thanks to their backing, TecSOM tiles have better dimensional stability over time. Despite the washings, traffic, and changes in temperature experienced over time, TecSOM tiles will always retain their form. The visual aspect remains impeccable and the joints between the tiles invisible.